Okay. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about range. No? Last time about domain, this time naman range naman. Okay. What is range? It is the set of all the values that represent the x values in the domain correspond to. Okay, yan. So, kung yung domain is uh, for x values, yung range naman is for y values. Okay. Then how can we get the range of the given function? Example, this one. Find the range of y equals to x squared. Okay? So medyo may pagkaiba ng konti to sa sa domain. Kasi yung gagawin na muna natin is to interchange the position of x and y. No, yung x magiging y, yung y magiging x na. Okay? So in y equals to x squared, magiging x equals to y squared naman. Yan. Then we are going to solve for y in terms of x. So, ililipat natin yung y sa left side, no? I-solve natin yung value ng y. Okay? Now, we have here for x equals to y squared. Okay? Get the square root of both sides, no? Para matanggal yung exponent ng y. Then we have your y is equals to square root of x. Okay, now, after natin i-solve yung y in terms of x, kukunin na natin yung domain. So ano yung value ng x dito that will make the relation a function? No? Ano yung pwedeng maging value? Pwede lang maging 0. No? Hindi pwedeng maging negative 1 yung x. Dapat 0 pataas. Therefore, no? We have x is greater than 0. Therefore, your range na is this one. All values of y such that y is greater than or equal to 0. Even though kahit na domain ang kinuha natin, no, still magiging range pa rin yun. Kasi nga, nag-interchange tayo ng position. Okay. So, ganyan natin isosolve yung range. Medyo mahaba siya ng konti pagdating sa range, no? Compared doon sa domain. Next, find the range of y equals to 2x squared plus 2. Okay, now, again, ganun pa rin, no? Interchange the position of x and y, no? So yung x mo magiging y, yung y mo magiging x. So we have x equals to 2y squared plus 2. Okay? Then transpose, solve for y in terms of x, no? Okay, transpose 2 to the other side, magiging negative 2y squared. Okay? Transpose x to the other side, we have negative x plus 2. Then divide both sides by negative 2. Cancel out yan. We have y squared equals to x minus 2 over by 2. Now, since may exponent pa yung y natin, itanggalin natin, no? Get the square root of both sides, no? Then your y here is equals to the square root of x minus 2 over by 2. Okay, so ano yung pwede maging value ng x dito, no? Para ma-remain na yung relation is a function. Okay? Tulad ng ginawa natin sa domain, kukunin natin yung value ng x, no? Solve for x wherein yung radicand na to or yung expression na to is greater than or equal to 0 kasi nga may radical sign tayo. Okay? Then, multiply both sides by 2 para matanggal yung denominator na 2. Then we have x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Transpose negative 2. Then your x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay? So yung magiging domain is this one. Y, all values of y such that y is greater than or equal to 2. Yan ang magiging range natin. Okay? Another one. Find the range of y equal to 5x minus 3 all over by x plus 2 times x minus 4. Okay. So this time, no, may pagkakaiba ng konti kasi nasa fractional form tayo eh. Meron tayong rule na susundin, no? Ito na. N less than m, no, yung range natin maging y equal to 0. If your n is equal to m, then your y is equals to a over by b. If your n is greater than m, there is no horizontal asymptote, no? So ano yung n natin dito? Your n here is the exponent of the numerator. Titingnan natin yung exponent ng numerator sa x, no? Yan ang n. Yung m naman is the exponent of the denominator naman dito sa baba. Your a is the numerical coefficient of the numerator, no? Numerical coefficient of the highest degree dito sa numerator, no? Then b is the numerical coefficient of the denominator. Now, para makuha natin yung n, m, a, and b, simplify muna natin to, no? To, x plus 2 times x minus 4 using the FOIL method, no? We have x squared minus 2x minus 8. No, shortcut ko na. No, if you want to recall about FOIL method, no, paki-search na lang doon sa mga links meron doon. Now, nakuha na natin denominator, no? X squared minus 2x minus 8. Now, what is your n here? Yung n is the exponent of the numerator, magiging 1, no? Yung m is the exponent of the denominator, yung highest degree o yung highest exponent of x is 2. So yung m is 2. Now, as you can see, your n is less than m. Mas malaki yung m kaysa sa n. Therefore, your y or yung range natin, no, is not equal to 0. Okay? So hindi pwedeng maging equal to 0 yung range natin. Since yung n and m natin, no, I mean yung n natin is less than m. All values of y such that y is an element of real number but y is not equal to 0. So itong rule na to gagamitin lang to kapag may numerator tsaka denominator. Okay? A and B applicable lang siya once na yung n tsaka yung m mo maging equal. So dito yung A is 5, yung B is 1 kasi walang numerical coefficient na nakalagay kaya automatic 1 yun. Okay? Next, find the range of y equals to square root of 3x minus 12, no? So doon sa domain, nag-solve tayo para sa x. This time, no? If we get the value of the value of x here, no? I mean the value of range. Now interchange the position of x and y muna. Magiging x equals to the square root of 3y minus 12. Then solve for y in terms of x. Okay, get the square of both sides para matanggal tong radical sign. So magiging x squared equal to the square root of 3y minus 12 squared. Cancel out na to. Magiging 3y minus 12 na lang yan. Then transpose 3y to the other side, magiging negative 3y. X squared naman to the other side, magiging negative x squared minus 12. Then, divide both sides by negative 3. Then, your y is equals to x squared over by 3 plus 4. Now, sir, may fractional form dyan eh. Okay lang. At as long as na yung denominator natin, number lang. Pero once na magkaroon ng variable dito, ng x, susundin natin yung example number 3 na rules. Okay. But this time, since 3 lang yan, automatic, yung range natin is an element of real number. Okay? Exercise. Find the range of the following. Okay, this time, no, y equals to 2x plus 4. Linear function siya, no? Laging tatandaan, if you find the domain and range of a linear function, that is always the element of real numbers. Automatic na yon, no? Kasi yung exponent ng x is 1. But this time, na y equals to x minus 1 over by x plus 4, following the rules dun sa number 3 example, no? Yung range natin here is an element of real number, but your y is not equal to 1. Kasi equal yung n tsaka yung n. Yung m natin, n and m. No? Para silang 1. Therefore, if n is equal to m, babalikan ko. Okay. Lumayo na ako. Okay. Babalikan ko yung rules. Okay, ito yung rule. Now, if your n is equal to m, therefore your y equals to a over by b. So since n and yung n tsaka m natin are equal, yung magiging value ng y, a over by b, which are the numerical coefficient of the numerator and the denominator. Okay? So jump tayo dito. Medyo mahaba. No, yan. 1 over by 1, no, is equal to 1. Therefore, your y here or the domain, or the range, no? The range here is an element of real number, but y is not equal to 1, except for 1 lang. Next, y equals to x squared plus 5, no? Okay, tulad dun sa example 1 and 2. Then your range here is greater than or equal to 5. No? Nag-interchange tayo ng positions. Nag-solve tayo dito. Okay? That's it. Thank you for listening. Again, do not forget to answer the exercises below, no? And then paki-wait sa sa quiz natin to be follow yung assignment tsaka yung quiz. Okay? That's all and goodbye.